Before we begin, make sure you have already signed up and created your Afterpay account. You can do this by downloading the Afterpay app or visiting the Afterpay website and completing the sign-up process. Once you've registered, you will be taken to the homepage of the app or website. If your account is not yet verified, you will see a message stating that your account needs to be verified. Verification is important. You must complete it to use all the features of Afterpay, including making purchases and setting up payment plans. To start the verification process, look for a banner or message on the home screen. It usually appears as a notification or a prompt asking you to verify your identity. Tap or click on that verification message to continue. Next, Afterpay will ask you to upload a valid form of identification. You can choose from several options such as a passport, a driver's license, or another government-issued ID. Select the type of ID you want to use, then follow the instructions to take a clear photo of your ID using your phone or webcam. Make sure the photo is not blurry. The text and picture on your ID must be easy to read and clearly visible. After you upload the image, Afterpay will begin checking your information. This verification process usually takes only a short time. Once your identity is confirmed, your account will be marked as verified. You'll then be able to access and use all of Afterpay's features without any restrictions, and that's all you need to do to verify your Afterpay account.